Hope you're having a lovely day and you're searching for another recipe. This is the Majestic Cupcakery.
In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the most perfect light Genoise sponge cake. It's a lot different from your regular vanilla sponge cake because it contains no butter whatsoever and only has 3 ingredients, so it's super simple to make. Firstly, you want to start off by cracking 4 eggs into a bowl with the yolks as well. Let me just catch that egg before it rolls off onto the floor. There we go. Once you've cracked all 4 eggs into a bowl, we're then going to go in with the sugar. I have 120 grams of sugar here and I'm just going to add it to the eggs. Just give it a quick mix around until all the sugar and eggs are combined. Don't worry about whisking too much air into it at this point, we're going to be doing that later, so just until everything's incorporated. Now you're just going to sit the eggs and sugar mixture over some hot water. You're wanting it to be slightly warm to the touch. The reasons for this is because when egg whites are cold, they're quite thick, so by heating the mixture up it loosens the eggs. So when you go ahead and whip the mixture up, it can whip in a lot more air, achieving its full potential, and making your cakes a lot lighter. You're wanting to then transfer the egg mixture into a mixer, and put that onto a high speed to whip up. The mixture will start to get lighter and lighter and you'll see it become more fluffy. It's looking about right. You can tell by the colour and texture that it's got a lot of air to it. To check it's the right consistency, use your whisk to just swirl the mixture on top. If it makes these ribbon patterns and they stay there for about 10 seconds, you know it's ready. If not, carry on whipping until you get to this point. I'm then adding some vanilla extract for flavour. You could add any flavouring you wanted here. Followed by 120 grams of plain flour. Make sure you sieve the flour in, you want to be as gentle and light as possible. You want to then slowly start to whisk the flour in, making sure it's all incorporated. Be careful not to knock too much air out because the only raising agent in the cake is the eggs. You want to keep in as much air to get the best rise. Once it's all mixed, you can then scoop it into tins. I have 2 6-inch tins here, and I've just greased them with some butter and flour to prevent sticking, and a little bit of greaseproof on the bottom. Go ahead and split that equally into 2 tins. Pop the cakes into the oven for around 18 to 20 minutes at 160 degrees fan. They'll be nice and brown on the top and springy to the touch. You could use these as a layer cake, birthday cakes, anything you want really. They're less crumbly than your regular cakes, so really good for a cake that you don't want to use too much buttercream on. Fill with any fillings and flavourings of your choice and it will be amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my channel for more cake recipes. Bye!